crowd let you know what they think of it. Now we will wait for the judges.
Michael Jordan score 50.
They gave him a 50. They gave Jordan a 50. He defends his championship.
All right, here is Vince Carter with his first stop.
Let's go home. Let's go home, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go home. That's called a gainer.
I'm expecting Kenny to say he double dribbled on that one.
Hey, my goodness, you know what I'm saying? Let's just sign the check over. Let's go home, call it a night.
No, that might be Alfred Payton in that mascot.
Yes, indeed. Okay, Aaron. That is the exclamation point on the contest.
Oh, my God.
Let's go home.
Yeah.
Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home.
And Spudweb comes through in the clutch to put the pressure on Dominique. Another 50 for Spudweb. Now the pressure's on the judges.
This kid has to jump off 2 feet also. I've seen something I've never seen before. And he's right. He got the championship.